Let me tell you about my student, okay? She had 200 people in her Facebook group and she had a $100,000 launch. That's an extreme example, but it is a true story. And it's an example of why you don't need a huge Facebook group to make a ton of money. My Facebook group has 150,000 women in it. And people think, oh, well, if my group doesn't have 150,000 people in it, then I'm not going to be able to make any money. That's just not true. Mary's an extreme example, right? Maybe you have 50 people in your Facebook group and you have a $10,000 launch or whatever it might be, right? You can get clients from a very small Facebook group and I'm gonna show you how. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna run a 3-day reactivation campaign. So this is pretending your Facebook group has like some people in it, right? Like maybe not a lot, but some people, okay? You're gonna run a 3-day activation campaign. Before you start days 1, 2, and 3, you're gonna tell everybody that you're running a visibility challenge or a member challenge, a community challenge, whatever it might be, right? Just some kind of challenge. You can name it whatever the hell you want it to name it. And you're gonna give them a prize for the winner. Somebody's gonna win a prize at the end of the 3-day challenge. The prize needs to be something tangible, a book that's mailed to them, a self-care kit from Etsy that's mailed to them, money. It needs to be something tangible. It should not be a free coaching call with you, a digital download, something intangible. It needs to be something tangible that's mailed to them. And I've run enough of these activation campaigns with my clients to know that anytime you break the rules and you do something digital or some free coaching call, it doesn't work. It has to be, you have to share a picture of what they're gonna win, because that's what gets them in and motivated. So you get a really good prize. The better the prize, the more people will participate. Get your prize. Day 1 of the challenge, you're going to have your members introduce themselves to the group with a photo of themselves, okay? So day 1 is all about getting a bunch of members, existing members, re-interacting in that group. So day 1, introduce yourself to the group or reintroduce yourself to the group and tell us, you know, why you're here and what you're what you like about this community, or like tell us about yourself. It literally could be whatever, but it's basically they're going to make a post introducing themselves with a picture of their face. That's day 1. Day 2, this is where the magic sauce happens, okay? Day 2, you're going to have members invite their friends to join the group. Every member that they invite, and like tag below, is a point towards the prize, right? It counts as an entry into the cash giveaway or the prize giveaway or whatever it might be. So most people will invite 1 or 2 friends. Even that doubles your group in size. Always going to be one or two of those like Mary Jane ladies who invites 60 people. And so your group grows quite significantly on day 2. 1, because everybody's inviting like 1 person, but 2, because there's always some people who are like really, really excited for the prize. So they invite a bunch of people because they know that each person they invite counts towards a prize. Day 3. Day 3 is the day that you weed out pretty much everybody, okay? So a lot of people will introduce themselves and put a picture of themselves. A lot of people will invite their friends, right? That's pretty easy. We now need to pick a winner and it needs to be fair. And so what we need to do is we need to create step 3 to be something hard that most people won't do. Because otherwise you're going to be sitting there manually like counting everything and that just takes forever. So day 3, you're going to have people who want to go live to your group and share a little bit something about themselves, something they want you to know about you, an answer to a question you give them. But day 3 needs to go, you need to have your members go live. Most people won't go live. So now when you go to pick the winner, you'll have 4 or 5 people that went live. You take their name, you put their name in a random like name generator, random number generator, whatever it might be. And that will create the prize, like the winner in a fair way. Otherwise, you're going to be sorting through 60 people who are inviting a bunch of people and whatever. Day 3 is where most people are eliminated. It's like any game, right? The longer you go, the harder it gets. So that's the first thing that you're going to do in order to get clients from your Facebook group. You do that, you have a lot of activity, you have a lot of leads, you're going to get at least 2 clients from that, if not more. If I stop the video right here and the only thing you learned was this reactivation campaign, your group size would double and you get a bunch of clients from it. But there's more, maybe a couple more, okay? So there is a way to make a poll post, okay? So basically it's like a yes or no poll and you're going to reach out to and start sales conversations with anybody that replied yes. We're going to put a screenshot up here. If I were to host a March 2022 6-figure business planning a live session on Zoom, would you come? Comment done when you voted. By the way, the commenting done when you voted is really important because every time somebody comments done, it reboosts your post to the top. So then there's 43 people who voted yes. So we reach out to all 43 of those people and we invited them to come to our workshop. Easy peasy. You'll get at least one client from that as well. If we stop the video there, this would be an amazing YouTube video. You already have 2 really practical strategies to get clients from tiny free Facebook groups, but we don't even stop there, okay? The third thing that you can do to use a really tiny group to get new clients, is something you're gonna do moving forward, is you are going to change the questions on your Facebook group member entry. So let's say you have 5 people per week who join your group, right? I'm just making up a number, I'm just pretend it's really little. One of the questions that you should answer, that you should ask people when they go to join your group is, I help people do X, right? That's your little I help statement. Would you like me to reach out to you to give you more info on how I can help you? So I'll give you an example. I help female entrepreneurs get clients. Would you like somebody on my team to reach out to you to see if we can help you get more clients for your business? Everybody who says yes, we reach out to them, get a bunch of clients from that as well. So if you had, let's just say a really tiny number, like 5 people per week joining your group, and 3 out of those people say yes, you probably would close one of those clients. Or maybe you close an extra 2 clients per month from that. Either way, it's a great strategy. It's super simple. And it's basically people raising their hand saying, yeah, tell me more about what it is you do and how I can help you. Easy. This is just the tip of a very big iceberg when it comes to getting clients online. I really believe that each individual student needs to have a custom game plan for getting clients. Because here's the thing. The way that this person over here gets clients is probably going to be different than the way this person gets clients. And the reason why most coaching programs haven't worked for you in the past is because business coach figures out how to get clients for herself. She applies her one size fits all to you. It doesn't work because you don't like how she gets clients, or just doesn't work for you. We really believe that each person has unique strengths. Each person has unique perspectives. Each person has unique preferences in terms of like how they like to show up online. And so the best way for you to get clients in a way that you love, so you have a reliable income, is to create a custom game plan for you to get clients. So if you're interested and you want my help with that, you should come to this workshop that I'm hosting. It's a super incredible workshop. I actually walk you through basically, first of all, what I did to get a bunch of clients, but then also how you can take a look at your business and see what's missing in your business and why XYZ is the reason you haven't been signing clients. So we kind of walk you through and help you evaluate your own business and your own client acquisition strategy, what you do to get clients, so that you can figure out what's been missing in your business. If that's something you're interested in, I would love to see you there. Completely free. It's my gift to you. You can save your spot by going to mariawendt.com/workshop or by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you so much. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.